So I'm on the PRIMA Power stand here at StillFab 2020 in Dubai. Roberto, can you tell us a little bit about this machine here that we've got that's going to actually be working in a minute? Can you tell us what it is?
Definitely. This is an automatic panel bender machine. What does it mean? It's a machine that is able to make all the bends in once. We don't need the operator, only to load the sheet metal, and everything else which is bend related from the radius, mesh bend, whatever is in the past related to the tools is done automatically. This is Italian technology, is a state of the art, is a fully servo-electric machine, so also environmental friendly if we have that touch.
Which is important these days.
Which is important these days, especially for the future. And then what is delivering to the customer is a full flexibility on bending the part.
Okay, let's see it in action. Let's get your colleague to start the machine up. The application that we're going to see here, this is a demonstration of like a shelf, isn't it?
That's correct, that's correct. There's a stainless steel plate, so the most delicate component with different radius on the sides, with a smash bend, with a particular application. What does show this component? First of all, we see in action now automatic tool change, so the operator now has the time to prepare the next component or to do secondary operation. Machine itself is centering the part to be parallel to the bending lines whatsoever, and then he starts automatically all the bending process. As you can see, the machine very quiet because again it's a servo-electric technology, so very precise and fast on the same time.
So when we actually look at this, we're able to complete every operation on this shelf. We're finishing this as a finished part, is that correct? It's going to come off in one hit?
That's correct. That's the goal of the machine. That's the aim of the machine. Thanks to what? Thanks to the flexibility. We have a designing team that can help the current customer to re-see their own products to be able to fit completely in these machines.
What's the important things with machines like this? Is it the degrees of the bends? Is it, you know, what's the challenges? Is it trying to make it as accurate as possible? Is it trying to, tell us some of the key characteristics.
Right. In today's world, is coming more fast. We have a less delivering time to the end user. We want to achieve a design on the product. So this machine basically, because of the flexibility, is giving this answer to the market of today, which is precision, accuracy, repeatability, and also design. Today the design is coming more and more important also in our daily life.
What I want to do now is pick up that, because this is actually a finished one as well. If we can get the camera to look at this. The key point here is this bend, isn't it? This is what...
That's correct. This is the part that has just been done. As we can see here, the bend that has been done automatically is scratch-free, okay? And what is most important also is that this can be programmed automatically. So it's very easy to program. Doesn't require, let's say, special skill, just computer PC and then material and to run. Also, the payback of this product in any shop floor is very fast.
How new is this technology for you here, PRIMA? How new is this machine?
Let's say that this is a technology that has been hitting the market since a long time. But let's say in the servo-electric technology, we have been the pioneers in this market. So at the moment, we are the only one doing this. And it's more than 30 years, this technology.
Incredibly efficient technology, incredibly efficient machine, fast as well, isn't it? Really, the idea here is it's all about the one-hit production, finishing these parts. I think to finalise here, Roberto, we'll just look at this part here as well. If we can get the camera to just look at this one. This is typically what you'd see in a supermarket, maybe a shelf.
Correct.
All bends done, everything done in one hit.
Yeah, this is a customer case actually, that before the customer was using 3 different pieces, welding them together. We redesigned with them, and thanks to the flexibility and repeatability of the machine, the customer has been able to make it at once. So we have a higher quality product, so it's able to load higher weights, and also easier to make, and with all the advantage on safety here, we have like one feature to make it safe.
Fair to say, if you're looking at improvements in productivity on panel bending or anything of that nature, PRIMA Power certainly have an option here for you on show at StillFab 2020. Thank you, Roberto.
Thank you very much, and welcome to our stand.